There are 4 limits up here on the board. In a moment, I'm going to ask you to pause the video and work these out. I want to just remind you of a few things to look at. All of these are limits as we go off to either infinity or negative infinity of a power function, but the coefficient here is not 1, so the coefficient can affect the behavior. What I generally do is I first just look at what the power does. Okay. And for that, I'm concerned with, is it even or is it odd? If it's even, it does the same thing on both sides. So it doesn't matter whether I'm going to infinity or negative infinity. But if it's odd, it does the opposite thing on the left side and the right side. So then I need to be very careful about was x approaching positive infinity or negative infinity. So I determine what the power does, and then I just look at the coefficient. If the coefficient was positive, this multiple of that function will be doing the same thing. If the coefficient is negative, I know we're doing a vertical flip, and so the function's going to be doing the opposite thing. So pause the video, work these out. I've got the answers up here. In a moment, I'm going to work through explaining each one. But if this is something that you feel very confident in, and you got these same answers, and you want to skip to the next video, that's totally fine. For those of you who want to work through this together, here I would say, okay, we're looking at x to the 4th. So it really doesn't matter whether I'm going to infinity or negative infinity. Even power functions go to infinity on both sides. So that's going to infinity. Multiplying by a positive number doesn't change that. Okay. For this next one, that's an odd power. So the fact that we're going to positive infinity does make a difference. Odd powers go to infinity on the right, so that's going to infinity, but I'm multiplying by a negative number. That's going to perform a vertical flip and make that go to in the opposite direction, so that limit is negative infinity. Here, we're looking at an even power of x. As long as we're going to infinity or negative infinity, that power is going to positive infinity. But we're multiplying by a negative number, so instead of going up on both sides, it's going to go down on both sides. It's going to negative infinity. And then this last one, I've got an odd power of x, and we're going to negative infinity. Odd powers go to negative infinity on the left side. So x to the 17th is going to negative infinity. We're going to multiply that by a negative number. That's going to do a vertical flip, change the direction in which it's going, so this limit is positive infinity.